At Hilco Global Mexico, we cordially invite you to participate in our upcoming auction, which will take place on April 18th in Texcoco, State of Mexico. Don't miss out on this opportunity due to the closure of our plant. It will be an in-person and webcast auction with a live auctioneer. We will auction woodworking machinery, CNC, thermwood routers, and more. Painting equipment, thermwood and BS, painting facilities and drying units. In addition to compressors and electrical transformers, we also have Yaskawa welding robots and various welding machines available for use in our plant. Materials such as steel and wood will be available for auction, some of them sourced overseas. Inspection appointments available on April 15th, 16th, and 17th. Check out our catalog of lots on our website. Don't miss the opportunity to acquire property at incredible prices.